OpenClaw just got even more powerful and it's free because Qwen 3.5 just dropped a new update and you can now run it locally. I'm going to be running it together locally for free with OpenClaw today. So here's what that means in plain English. OpenClaw is your personal AI assistant that works for you around the clock. But instead of paying every single month for an API, like for example, ChatGPT or Claude, you can plug in the free AI brain and run the whole thing yourself locally right on your own computer. No subscriptions, no one seeing your data, no internet required. The brain we're plugging in today is called Qwen 3.5. It was just released literally just a few hours ago with a new update that you can run locally. Before it was a cloud model. And so essentially this is an API by Alibaba that you can run locally and you can run directly with Qwen 3.5 and Ollama. I'll show you how to do that today. You can even run it with Claude Code if you want to. So this is right up there with tools like, for example, Claude, so you can get Claude-level intelligence, but you can run it locally for free. And the way we run it locally for free is through a tool called Ollama. Think of Ollama like an app store for AI brains. You pick a brain, you download it, and it runs on your own machine. Then we connect it straight into OpenClaw, so your AI assistant is powered by one of the most capable models on the planet without paying to use it. And today we're testing this together from scratch, downloading Qwen 3.5 through Ollama, plugging it into OpenClaw, and seeing exactly how smart it is. By the end of this video, you'll have a completely private, completely free AI assistant running on your computer that you own forever. Let's get straight into it.